Hi guys, how are you today? Hope you're doing fine. Today we're going to drive from Tromsø to Harstad. So let's get started. Today's drive between Tromsø and Harstad is approximately 297 kilometers. We started driving from Tromsø around 12 o'clock today. I am sorry about the travel weather. It's not the greatest today as we have a little bit of rain here on the road. But as always, I will add the chapters down in the description so you can skip to the part that you want to watch if you don't want to watch the drive from Tromsø to Harstad. I'll put on some music. And here we are in Hárstták, and this is the hotel that we're going to be staying at for tonight. It is the Scandic Harstad Hotel. The hotel has a cozy little lounge area, and right next door there you can see Thor's. That's the bar connected to the place, and they also have free coffee, which is a very bonus for me as I need a refill every now and then. Well, yeah, all in all, quite nice. Let's go and have a look at the room. And here we have the room, a little place where you can hang your coats, bed, a little bit more air as you can see. Here you have me again. Hi guys. Standard hotel room, quite nice, clean, and more spacious than the other ones that we have had lately. The view wasn't the best. They had like a minibar, television, little seating group with a little sofa and a chair and a table, so you can sit and chillax. Bathroom was quite clean and standard, sorry for the mess. Time for some sightseeing down in downtown Hárstták. Here you have the famous red camper with Make the North Great Again. It was, how can I say, a small town with lots of nice houses, not much people out as you can see, as it was a rainy afternoon. So, hoping for better weather. Norge, bra igjen. Just was out for a little walk and had something to eat, so it's time to head back to the hotel. This is taken the following morning before breakfast, so because I saw that it was great weather outside, so I thought that I would also show you Harstad from a little bit of a better view. As you can see, it's quite cloudy, but still a little bit of blue in there, and it's not raining, so that was the main thing here. So just around the corner from the hotel we had a thrift store, so I'll take you on a little tour inside here and let you have a little browse what you might find in a thrift store in Harstad. I thought that that would be a little bit of fun, so I'll let you wander around and have a look. Did you find anything that you liked in there? I'll try to locate the name of the store and link it in the description down below, so you can also check it out on the net if they have a web page. Now it's time for some more sightseeing, and here in the harbor area, as you can see, it's quite quiet, it's quite nice, just enjoying the beautiful scenery. Some more footage from the harbor, but from the other side. Not quite sure what that boat is, but it looks cool in its all glory and colors. I think it's quite cool in the horizons. You can see all of the mountains and behind in the gray there in the mist. But yeah, really love the scenery here in the north. Then it's time to head back and have some breakfast before we move on to the next destination. As you can see, they have some cold cuts, some cheese, cereals, different breads, some fruits, and also a lot of warm dishes that is hiding under these lids. Also different kind of juices and eggs, you name it. It was a good breakfast at this hotel as well. So quite happy about the start of the morning. So quite recommendable. And I got my coffee, so I can't complain. So I'm happy. Thanks a lot for watching, and please hit that subscribe button. Until next time, thanks again.